Sergio here. Before you use Speakable for the first time, it would be good to do a tech check. So here we are using Chrome, which we recommend. Click here next to the URL to make sure that the microphone rights have been given. Your students need to do this as well. Now, if you're using Apple devices, it's also necessary to go here to Settings, go into Privacy and Security, and click on Microphone. That way, the browser that your students will be using, be it Safari, be it Chrome, has to have microphone access enabled. If you don't do this, then your computer will block Speakable from the voice recognition system. So make sure that you click those to make sure that they are enabled, and you can test your activities as well to make sure that they all work.